Hey, Volkswagen New Beetle owners. You ever get that annoying click in your car? In other words, you get in the car, you turn it on, and you get that clicking sound. Sounds like the turn signals are on or something like that. It goes on for a minute and it goes away and you have no idea why it's doing it or how to stop it. Well, I got a simple solution for you. Turn your car off, go to the back of your car, put your trunk up all the way. Get back in the car, turn the car on, get out of the car, and then go ahead and close your trunk. Done. Fixed. Next time you start the car, the click will be gone. You're welcome. Have a great day.